On a tree-lined street in the heart of the north end of St. Catharines sits this quintessential 1,100 square foot backsplit with all the bells and whistles. A beautiful galley kitchen that's been redone, 2 new bathrooms, a wonderful flow of a layout, the gardens are mature, the fence is completely redone, and the barbecue is all set up for Sunday afternoons. This is the perfect place to throw the ball around. For more information, please visit uphouserealty.ca. Or better yet, call me and I'd love to be able to show you.